So this is a Mayrath little mini tractor here that I picked up for 250 bucks. It's pretty beat up. I did some research. It appears to be a deluxe model missing the hood. I'm about to take this off. So it's got the scraper there. It's got the lever here. You can drop that. I'm going to take that off. And I'm going to hook up the bucket here. Or not the bucket, the scraper. It's got the 8-horse Briggs. I changed the oil in the Briggs. Put a new throttle cable. Had to redo the clutch linkage. Put a couple new belts. A little cheapy Chinese carburetor. Some new fuel line. Cleaned out the tank. It runs okay. Had to clean the points on it. A little walk around of it. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I had to put a new tire on the front here. The one on the other side held air. I had to put a tire on the rear as well. New tires and tubes on this side. I got to do something with put an inner tube in the tire on the back rear. The guy I got it from told me the transmission can have an Opel. Looks like somebody modified it to put it in there, and they put a different differential in there. And when they did that, the brake linkage isn't hooked up, and it's rubbing the diff. And from some pictures I found of these, looks like they cut the front scraper to clear the diff. And I have drove it around the yard. It's not real powerful when you put the tongs down in the back. It pretty much almost stops you and kills the engine. So I'm gonna adjust the points and new spark plug and see if I can tweak the engine a little bit to get a little more out of it. I also changed the oil in the engine. That's about it. It's got the seat's got the little springs to it. Got the welded a new bracket to the steering column there. So from the research I did, they were only made for a couple years, like 49 to 51 or 52. I guess they're kind of rare. So I got a yard full of weeds, and I usually borrow a tractor with a box blade to scrape them. So I'm gonna see if this blade in reverse will do the trick, and if it doesn't, then I'm probably not gonna keep it.